Maria, right?
What'd you say about the village, honey?
We don't have like this in the
You don't have one of these in the village, huh?
We don't have like this.
So the ate taught you how to use it, right? Are you sure you pushed the right buttons?
Yeah, she said this is when you put all this one. When you put all, open this, turn on this. Then when you already in there, you put in here wash. This one wash. I think this is wash because you put in there wash. 1.135. Then she said, oh, when already in there, put the on this. Then she said, if you want to dry, this is dry.
Okay, number one, I have no idea what you just said. Can you start over? Tell us how to operate this high-tech washing machine here.
When you put already in there, turn on this.
Okay.
Then put this in here. I don't know what's in there, but the number is 135. 135. 1 minute. I don't know what's that. 1 o'clock. Then push this one on.
How do you know it's written in Korean?
That's what she said.
Do you read Korean?
No, I don't read Korean. That's what she said only. She said this is dry, and then this one is dry.
How can you remember that?
I remember it. She said this is because it's Tagalog. This one is wash and dry. She said this is wash and dry.
But
This one is dry.
But that's written in Korean.
She said I don't know. That's what she said.
So you got the memory of an elephant all of a sudden? I can't even remember what she said. So you never seen one of these in the village?
No,
Huh?
you don't.
They don't have these in the village.
No, the one that we have before, you put all there together. Then when you finish washing, you pull the water, you pull, then do like this to the hands. Yes, she said this is dry. This is wash and dry. This is dry. I don't know what is this. Maybe this one is
Wash.
This one is wash.
I don't know.
This one is
Because
wash.
I don't speak Korean and I don't
look,
read Korean.
It's so small. See, when you read dry, so this one is so small too.
But you understand Korean is different than English, right?
But
So the short Korean means dry.
yeah.
Okay. Then
Look,
why did they bring us a drying rack for the balcony?
I don't know.
If-
Maybe they just only like little bit dry, only like not too much wet. Then you dry in the
Maybe it was.
Look, oh, this the same words and nothing.
Okay, so you're
This one
you're
is-
saying that the short Korean must mean dry.
Yeah.
Okay, anybody out there speak Korean?
This is dry.
Does that say
I
dry?
don't know. This is dry.
What's this mean?
She said this is wash and dry.
Wash and dry.
Yeah, she said.
And that's dry.
Yeah, then this one is on. Maybe this one is on. This
Okay,
one
don't
is
push it.
off.
You'll turn it off in the middle of the cycle. My gosh.
No, look,
Don't push the button.
I'm not pushing.
You're trying to push the button.
I'm
If you turn it off in the middle of the cycle, you'll never get the clothes out of there. Yeah. You'll lose all those clothes. Honey, what would happen if we took one of these to the village? But the instructions have to be in Korean and you don't tell grandma how to use it. What would happen?
Now, can you move a little bit?
Yeah.
I don't have space at all. I have a little bit.
What should I be charging admission to the show? How much can I get for this? How much are you gonna pay me to watch my draw?
We just like to watch. We can see in here. It's a big space to put all that because
I told you, just don't
they have a
overload
big
it.
space in there.
I told you, don't overload it.
Oh no!
Okay, well, Fatima, those directions were, good job, Forrest G. Those directions were so clear that I think the viewers want to hear one more time how to use the, this is a Winia brand. Look, folks. If anybody buys the Winia brand and it shows up with just Korean writing, Fatima has given you a block of instruction. Just one more time, baby, quickly. One more time. But we'd like for you to translate it in Tagalog, English, Bisaya, and then if you're Korean.
Abliha ko na ni. Abliha. She said, abli this. Open
Abli.
this.
What's
open.
what's
Open
Abli?
this. Open.
Abli?
Open this. Put all the
What language is Abli?
Bisaya.
Okay, so Abli is Bisaya.
Bisaya.
So first
Abli.
step one is the Abli.
Oh, that's Bisaya. Tagalog.
Open.
Tagalog.
Okay.
Buksan.
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 Abli Buksan.
English. Open. Then
Korean.
open. I don't know what in Korean. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so step one, we got to Abli.
Abli. Bisaya.
And you can Ablo.
Tagalog. Buksan.
Okay?
English.
Yep.
Open.
Open.
Then you get your clothes.
Yep.
Put
Put
in
the
there.
inside close.
Put in there. In Bisaya. Ibutang adto. Ibutang ang imong clothes. sa
Ibutang
sulod.
ito.
Ibutang. In Tagalog. Ilagay mo doon sa loob.
Okay, can we get that? I got a viewer here requesting Swahili, German, and Dutch.
What?
Baby, I've got viewers from all around the world. I need some more translations on this Winnie.
Buti. Buti mo eh.
Can you do Google Translate and then, huh?
I don't know what.
Baby, translation. How about Latin?
QR. Oh, this is.
We'll go Latin. Can you do Latin?
Huh?
Latin, the language, Latin. No.
Understand? Eh. See, 9 kilograms. It's 9 kilo. Then that's not. Oh my gosh.
What?
It's 9 kilo. You can put inside.
9 kilos you can put inside. That's what it says, 9 kilos?
Yeah.
Does it say in Korean?
Yeah, 9.
How do you know that's not 9 liters?
Kilogram, oh, kilogram.
I don't see the kilogram. Where? Here?
This one.
Well, I guess you could put more jaws in there.
I think it's done, Mommy.
I don't think so. I think if you open it now, you're gonna flood the condo.
Yeah. Because it's over in here.
Okay. Do we need to bring the ate back up here for another
Really?
block of instruction?
No.
I can call and say, hey, my wife didn't understand your Tagalog.
What is this?
I don't know.
Oh.
That's for the
I don't know.
That's
says-
to get the water up.
That says caution.
What's gosh?
It says caution. Filipinas from the village may not know how to operate this heavy machinery. So we keep buying these eco bags at 7-Eleven, and Fatima will not put them in the backpack so we can reuse the eco bags. So now we keep buying eco bags every day.
I miss yours.
Folks, welcome to my world. Welcome to my world.
Where's the laundry? Is it? I can't see.
Because it's spinning.
It's like it's empty.
Yeah, it's not like what it is.
Okay, don't get your face too close to that spinning now. We might jump out on you. That thing's moving. You ever seen anything like that in the village?
No. You,
I could take this thing to the village. I could charge admission. I think everybody in the village would be just in awe at this thing. Oh,
Here,
slow
here.
down, baby. Slow
Slow
down.
down.
About to blast off into space.
Look like it sounds like airplane.
3, 2, 1. Now what's it gonna do now, baby? What's it gonna do now? I don't think you can put 9 kilos in there. That's 18 pounds. But you know what? Whoa! You got a big old space.
You're going to
You still got 41 minutes.
You're going to wash.
You've been watching this thing for what, 30 minutes now? You got 41 more minutes to go. I should have done a live stream.
It's going to wash.
And he's gonna rinse. It's gotta do the same thing. It's gotta rinse that soap out of there, baby. Called a rinse. If this ain't National Geographic, watch the breast violations.
Gee, if I put all in there, I will almost finish now.
If you put too much, you got a mess on the floor. I'm just curious as to why you find this so fascinating.
Because I want to know what happened like this, like that. Because I don't understand in there, so I can find out what's going on. What time they drain, what time they ano.
What time
What time? What number they going to drain? What time they spend? Wash? How many minutes they wash?
Can I ask you a question? Do you think if Flo was here, she would be as equally curious?
I don't know.
Maddie and Pia too?
I don't know.
How much would you pay to watch this show? 5 pesos?
Huh?
Well, if you'll pay 5 pesos, I could take this thing anywhere on the road and I could sell tickets to watch people watch me wash my drawers. I could get rich off dirty drawers. What?
Only me because I want to follow because I don't understand what the writing.
Do you want to go to Korean lessons? You could learn how to read Korean. How about English lessons? You could learn to speak English.
I don't know how to speak English. We're speaking now. That's English.
I don't know what.
Sell me, as long I understand what did you say, then you cannot sell me. So it's
Okay,
fine that
I don't know what's crazier. You watching the washing machine, or me watching you watching the washing machine, or my viewers watching me watching you watch the washing machine. But this is some entertainment right here. And you got your stretchables, panties, well, you get stretchable panties, but you get your spaghetti, the Walmart spaghetti top. Honey, it's down there somewhere. Just take another look. Take another look. It's down there somewhere. Baby, obviously. Baby, obviously you're not a golfer. Are you a golfer? Well, just take a look. It's down there somewhere. Take a closer look, baby. Baby, that rug really tied the room together, man. That rug. The rug really tied the room together. And then, baby, he pissed on the dude's rug. Did you know that?
No.
The guy pissed on the dude's rug. And it really tied the room together. Look, if you take a look in there, take a closer look. Just look in there. It's down there somewhere. Where's the money, Lebowski? Baby, the money's in there. Come here, take another look. Where's the money, Lebowski? Baby, did you see Walter today?
Who's Walter?
Walter. Or Donnie?
Huh?
Did you see Donnie or Walter today?
Who's that?
Donnie
Who's that name?
and Walter.
I'm not saying Walter.
You know the bowling, they're in the bowling league. Hey, baby, don't show my draws on national TV or international TV.
It's raining.
Huh?
It's raining.
There's water on the floor, baby. Just take another look. Obviously, she's not a golfer.
Sure.
I know what you could do. Call grandma up, get her on the live video chat, show grandma.
It's the spin.
What? Spinning? Why are you so pretty, baby? Why are you so pretty? Why are you so cute?
Sabaan mo ka na eh. I'm busy na.
Honey, this is what I want you to say, okay? Ready? Look in there and say, mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the cleanest of them all?
What?
I got a poem for you, baby. Ready? Roses are red, violets are blue. Most poems rhyme, but this one don't.
Going to.
Do you like poetry? No? Why do you don't like my poetry? Sounds like some adult action going on here.
Crazy.
What? Yeah, I might get this video banned for adult content here with those noises. Ow!
The airplane. It's the sound of airplane that they.
Yeah. Better say V1. Just say V1. Say V1. Say V1. Just say V1. Then say rotate. Honey, V1. Rotate. Rotate. Positive rate. Come on, baby. Baby, just turn
This is Captain Fatima.
turn left there at 270, baby.
We're in the height of.
Hey, we gotta get that rug, baby. Cause it really tied the room together. Okay, can I ask you a question? Are you gonna spend 32 more minutes? Cause I just spent 11 minutes. Or 9, I can't do the math. Made some progress in figuring this out, baby. Explain to us what you figured out, okay?
This is the wash.
Yeah.
We have soap, we wash, we get the dirty thing there.
Yeah.
And this one, the one now, it's a spin,
Yeah.
drain, like get the soap.
Yeah.
Then this one is a dryer.
Yeah.
Now we're in the middle of the get the soap. Wash the soap.
Yeah. Okay, good job. You're making progress, baby.
See? That's why I'm looking. So next time I'm not looking anymore.
So if you sit through the whole wash rinse cycle, you'll know everything about this Juania. Okay, but how do you say this? Juania or Juania?
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 Juania, ambot lang. Sana.
Do you think you can wash a rug in here? Huh?
Washing machine yan. Buti. dyan ako.
So pretty.
Put water.
You're so pretty, baby.
Put water na siya.
I wish you showed me as much attention as you show my dogs.
Lako ay ka ba?
It's the ringer.
Ay, kaigat din.
You ever see that movie, baby? Big Lebowski? The Dude. No? Remember the cool you bowling and lick the bowling ball in the purple? Can I ask you a question? Why Filipino mother is so rough on the children and rough on the Cano husband?
I just want to watch this because I want to figure out what happened in here.
I think we've established that. I'm pretty sure I know what happens.
Washing?
This is a washing machine. It washes the clothes.
Like, I don't
Holy
know.
shit, I figured it out.
I don't know how to read it.
The purpose of a washing machine is to wash clothes. Let me ask you a question, okay? Remember we were talking about chickens? And you said, what's the purpose of a chicken?
Eat.
Huh? To eat? You're not concerned with the safety or welfare of a chicken? Huh? Yes or no?
No.
Would you adopt a chicken?
No.
What's the purpose of a chicken?
Eat.
Ah, okay.
The baby chicks, yeah, but the chicken.
I told you to call me when it was 2 minutes. No, you didn't call me. We gotta work on your English. I said, baby, call me when it's 2 minutes. No, you didn't call me. I said, hey, how many minutes is it? You said 2. I said, you're supposed to call me when it was 2 minutes.
2 minutes sa Cano. I said 2 minutes sa Cano.
Only when I asked you.
No, I said 2 minutes sa Cano.
What? I don't think nobody understands what you're saying, baby. Maria's trying to watch the outdoor boys here. Now it's down to 1 minute. Okay, it's down to 1 minute.
It's not dry.
Okay, because I told you this ain't a dryer. Okay, this ain't a dryer.
Water is not too much wet.
Okay, baby, if this thing dried the clothes too, why they give us a dryer for the balcony?
It's not totally dry. Gosh.
Honey, the washing machine does a spin cycle, and then you have to dry it. Okay.
But that's already dry.
Okay, when that thing stops and you pull it out, I want you to put your clothes on, go downstairs to the supermarket, okay, and give me a coat. Yeah, if it's dry enough for you to wear, I'll apologize for being wrong.
It's not dry like good.
But I don't think this is a combination washer dryer unit. I could be wrong.
It's not dry.
If it is, I'm questioning why I need a drying rack for the outdoors. I'm not sure. And I wonder why you changed clothes for the end of the video.
Cold.
Huh?
It's cold.
It's cold? So you were too cold. But you look beautiful in your Walmart spaghetti and your panties. What if we just take this to the village
Go take it there.
and plug it in at Grandma's house and let everybody wash their clothes for free?
Go.
And then we can video Grandma's face when she gets her first electric bill. Yeah, that would be entertaining. I'd like to see that. Begin, stop, don't touch nothing. Wait, and let it.
No.
Okay, wait till it stops.
Okay.
Okay, now, whoa.
Come on.
Just take another look. It's down there somewhere.
It's not totally dry like this.
No, honey, it's not totally dry because this isn't a dryer. Now what you need to do is put your clothes on that little drying rack outside. And they ain't gonna dry because there's no sunshine out there. In the morning, they're gonna be skunked.
But look,
And you're
it's
gonna do it
already,
again.
look, it's already.
Yeah, it's pretty dry.
Totally gonna.
Okay, well, you go to work out there. You're so pretty. I like a Filipina that works late at night. Honey, stop. Okay, the food was in there. There was chicken and cheese and grease. Don't put the clean clothes.
They don't have grease.
Honey, please don't put the clean clothes in the takeout bag, okay? Okay, that's what the food came in. I don't want all the clothes smelling like fried chicken. Get one of them eco bags over there. Those Filipinos, they don't care if their clothes smell like chicken grease.
They don't have it here in no more.
Well, honey, you only have to carry the clothes about 5 feet. Not, I stand corrected. It's a good 16 feet to the outdoors. I'll even open the door for you. Okay, here we go. Let's go, old girl. Fatima. I know a girl and she don't wanna work because she twerk.
Where?
Honey, there you go. Folks, there's a little drying rack out here. Wait, where's the lights at? Lights. Come on. Wait a minute, I got an iPhone. It's gotta have some lights on it. I know a girl and she don't wanna work. Where's the lights at? There we go. I know a girl and she don't wanna work because she twerk. Baby, I'm requesting twerking action while you hang up the laundry, the drawers. Baby, hold on, ready? Here we go. All right, let me get a little music to get you in the mood. Ready? I know a girl. Baby, come on, give me just a little twerk in here. Work it, baby. Work it. I know, folks, I'm horrible. Baby.
We're going to dry that tomorrow.
Why Filipinas so hard on the Cano husbands? What happened to that old girl? Why are you so beautiful, baby? Where did you get that pink sleeping outfit, baby?
I don't know.
Oh, baby, you gotta rewash it. If you drop it, you gotta rewash it.
I need hanger.
That's the policy.
No, I need hanger.
You need what, baby?
Hanger.
Hanger. Like an aircraft hanger? Folks, you see all the help that I give this old girl. Not only is old single dad the best dad in the world, but I help her with the domestic chores. Ain't that right, baby? I'm always helping you, right? Give you positive encouragement. Give you some more encouragement. All right, here goes, baby. Let's try this one more time. You're so beautiful. I know a girl and she don't want to work because she...
You sing that to
I know a Cano. He's the best Cano. Because he work. see the stress I'm under here. Stress is real, my friends. What can I do? What can I do? Alright, baby. Good job there, single mom. Good job, single mom. Good job. Ow, baby, there's a mosquito. But wait, there's more. Babe, can you hurry up? I'm ready to go to sleep. I gotta lock the door. Can you just hurry up with your laundry operations? It's like 10 minutes after 9. It's past my bedtime. Baby, I'm tired of waiting here. What? Okay, let me lock the door. Good night. Sleep out here. I have a question, baby. Why Filipino wife always do stress to the Cano? Huh? I'm just curious. Many Cano husbands are always wondering why the Filipinos do so much stress. Look how long her hair is now. How much did that rebond cost me? I'm trying to remember. I was quoted 1.5. You left with 2.5 and didn't bring me no change. I'm going to check her purse tonight, see if I can't recover some of my change. I'm a Cano change recovery agent tonight. I'm going to get that money. I'm going to get it. Baby, do you like my positive encouragement? I know what you need to help.
You need to help.
Here we go. Here, you ready? I'm gonna help you go quicker. Ready? Here we go. Dig, 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 old girl. Dig, dig, dig. Dig, dig, dig. Let's go. Dig, 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 ladies. Let's go. Dig, dig, dig. That's how you motivate your Filipino wife. Baby, I must protest your activities. I'm trying to go to sleep. I need my beauty rest. Come on now.
Wait, I need hunger tomorrow.
Okay, well that's tomorrow. I'm trying to sleep tonight. I got you. Hey, can you just look at the camera and tell everybody how much you love me and how much I help you? Ow! Oh, ow! Baby, don't start another load tonight. I'm trying to sleep.
I would just put this all in.
Okay. Last night I didn't hear any roosters. I didn't hear any pigs, goats, chickens, motorbikes, trikes. Last night I didn't hear anything. So tonight, please don't add a spin cycle to my sleeping cycle, okay? I'm requesting respectfully that you cease and desist your late night laundry operations. Baby, can you be a little bit considerate of my feelings? I mean, I'm tired already. I've been helping you with this laundry. I'm tired, baby.
Why am I helping? Helping ka daw.
Now I gotta wait up even longer because you're gonna eat that leftover stuff.
I already finished.
Oh, you already ate it?
I'm going to sleep.